How to order and buy on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can order and buy products on the Pandabuy website. Okay, the first thing to do is to open your web browser and log into your Pandabuy account. Then you'll be brought to this home page because I have logged in already. So you go to your home page, and then on your home page, for you to be able to order a product, all you need to do is to enter the name of the product you want to and type in the name of the product in this box displaying product links or name, shop, blah blah blah, and then just go ahead and enter the products you want. Let's just go ahead and follow the trend by clicking on Halloween. Then once you click on it, you will be directed to another page where you would see different kind of products depending on what you want to order or choose. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on any of this. So I'll be picking the Spider-Man. Then you will be directed on that page showing you the image of the costume you want to get or whichever thing you want to get. Then once that is done, here you'll be asked to pick variation. Variation means that the size of the product you want. You have to pick the size. So let's go back to the top. Then you have to click the size. This is the seller, the shipping fee, this is the shipping fee, and then your warehouse, and this is the location where the product would land. And then you have to select the size if it's going to be large, small, medium, and the color you want, if this is the color you want. Then after that, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. How many do you want? This is quantity. How many do you want? If it's two, four, depending on how many you want, you can just go down. After that, just click on buy now. Okay, you have to agree to it first. You can agree by clicking on the box next to agree. Then you click on buy now. Once that is done, you will be directed to another page where you'll be asked to select destination country. Select destination country. Just ensure you follow the instructions, read through, follow the instructions, and then once you do that, once you follow all the instructions, you fill in all the necessary things, and then you scroll down. By the right side of the screen, you'll see submit order. Here, submit order. So you can just click on submit order. Once you click on submit order, you'll be directed to the page where you have to input your bank details, and then you have to pay. Once you make payments, you have ordered for your products. So all you need to do is to wait for for your products to be delivered to you. So this is how we can order and buy products on the Pandabuy account. So go ahead and order those products that you want to get today. Thanks for watching.